Okay, so I bought a 2009 Chevy HHR at auction for $750. It cost me around $1,150 after all the auction fees and everything. I ended up having to get a radiator, a cooler, and a fan. I also got a bumper and a hood for it. That all cost around $400. I also put in two uh, front sway bar links and two sway bar mount bushings, which was about $50. So altogether, I have right around $1,600 into it. Okay, so here's my Chevy HHR that I got from Copart Auto Auction, and this is after I replaced the hood and the bumper. I still got my temporary permit in the back, waiting on my title. As you can see, it looks pretty good. And that's it.